Alright, so I'm just getting in from work. It's been a long 12 plus hour day. Oh, Satan. Alright. Damn it. I left my bag in my truck. Well, there's nothing in it that I need. But what I do need is this. Alright. I don't know why the light's not on. But yeah, you see it. It's time to do a little unboxing. Oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. I'll get back to you guys in a second. I left 3P for the 36, as you guys should know. Light bar. Alright, so my voice is a little hoarse, but yeah. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet. The anticipation is killing me. So, yeah. C, 3-piece US, in gold. Oh, this feels really nice. 3-piece US in white. Congrats on your new wheels. We hope you love them just as much as we love building them. Prior to mounting tires, please ensure that all specs and finishes are what you ordered. Once you mount the tires, you own the wheels. If something is not as it should be, give us a call at 909-398-1387 or send us an email at sales@3piece.us. Thanks, 3Piece. Then I also have to find a tape measure just to see, and to show you guys as well, because, you know, there's no capping when I say the specs of these wheels are pretty insane. They're also the widest wheels out of anybody I know. So, I believe these may be the fronts, but I'm not sure. I guess we'll see once we keep going. And I'm super tired from work. You guys have no idea. It's literally all lifting and driving all day. It's not too fun. Definitely gonna have to find something else because delivering at night is not optimal, but and this cold weather is just not it. So, yeah. All right. Whew. Whew, whew. Whew. Oh my God. All right. All right. All right. Wow. Like, crosses. My God. Sheesh. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh man, that's wicked. Now, yes, these are the fronts. Sheesh, dude, that's crazy. This is better than when I opened the ones for the 350Z. And as you like, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Like, all right, let's see if we can see if they wrote the specs on here. But yeah, like, look at that. And this is the front, and my hands are pretty big. Like, for the most part, I can't even fit XL gloves. So yeah. Madness. Bare madness, me say. All right. Oh man. Okay, so they did front rear. Jeez, peace, brother. still gonna email them about that anyway. But this clip is also going to be happening at the same time as me hyperlapsing the unboxing. So yeah. Okay, so to close out this video, I'm going to give you guys like a quick overview of the wheels. So these are the fronts. 18 by 5 lips and 18 by 6.75, which makes them 18 by 11.75. And the rears are 18 by 7 lips and 18 by 6.75 barrels. Hope I said it right the first time. Wasn't paying attention because I'm just too flabbergasted over these wheels, which makes them 13.75. Wait, 13.75, 12.75. I don't remember. But yeah. Anyhow, these wheels are basically Lamborghini spec wheels. So it's like, yeah. Like, that's crazy. So, as you guys can see, these wheels are pretty massive. So, yeah. I'm going to be fitting these on the Skyline. Somehow, some way, I will. Thanks for watching, and I'll get to you guys in the next video.